Guys!
Units in the parking lot.
1 hour of corrupt cops getting caught in the act. When someone suffers a medical emergency, the first priority should be saving their life, not restraining them. But for Riker Earl, police actions may have cost him everything. On September 9th, 2024, police responded to a call about a man having a seizure, later identified as Riker Earl. Instead of providing immediate medical assistance, they restrained him and kept him face down for an extended period.
Not gonna go.
Get around. No, never. He's got it. Got it. All right. He's coming. You're good. What's his name? Riker? Yeah. Riker? Hey, Riker, if you just chill out, everything will be all right. Guys, please, I'm begging you. Just settle down. Guys! Just take a breath.
Riker.
Guys, I'm
You're all right.
Guys, help!
Riker.
Guys!
Down. Riker.
Guys, please! Guys!
Despite Earl's constant cries, the officers kept him pinned down, ignoring his obvious signs of pain.
Riker, right here. Trying to help you.
One of the medics was given to him a bit ago.
So Drew. Okay.
I got it. Settle down.
Grandma's right here. Yeah,
You're okay.
you guys hang tight. We're going to give you another.
Riker. All right. Riker, not gonna die. They're trying to help you. Breathe, okay? You just need to breathe. Your ass. Settle down. No, easy. There you go. I'll do that. I got one right now. All right. Just give him a few minutes. Just let him breathe through it. It's all right. All right, Riker. Settle down. We're gonna be all right in a second. Settle down. Settle down. We're okay. Now, hold on. All right. Take a break. Oh, no, not that taser again.
Hey, buddy, you need to calm down, man. Let's calm down. Take a few breaths.
Riker, can you relax for us?
Take some deep breaths.
If you can relax for us, we can get...
According to medical and legal experts, restraining someone in a prone position, especially a person in medical distress, can be life-threatening.
That's all right. Just on your side. Just on your side. I don't want you on your back. Relax. Down. Hold on.
Alex, if this doesn't work, we can do kind of mean.
Settle down, buddy.
Just rest, Riker. We're trying to help you.
Please. To me with his legs.
He's still. Everything will be all right. Just calm down. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
All right. Just quit fighting. Just stay still.
Please.
That too, dude.
Listen, relax. I'm right here. They're trying to help you, not hurt you. Okay?
It sounds like they might have. I thought I had gas on my watch.
Just relax, Riker.
I still can't
Just
believe they didn't find that
relax.
crash.
Okay?
There was 3 911 calls down. Just chill, Riker. Just stop moving.
Yeah.
Just stop moving. Everything will be all right.
Grandpa's here now, okay? So you gotta hold still, Riker. You gotta rest.
All right.
No shit.
Let's leave county.
Well, yeah, we could probably deal with a few less firefighters if you need to go. We got 3 of us here.
Yeah.
Doug, we got manpower though. If you guys need to start rolling.
Well, they haven't called us yet. Rensselaer hasn't called us yet.
Oh, they haven't?
Well, that's Morocco.
Earl was finally taken to the hospital, But let's be honest, the police and medical personnel took way too long to get him there.
We're gonna drop him. He's gonna kick someone in the face. Settle down. I still don't think he's... Calm down. Calm down. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Doing good, Riker.
Come on.
Riker, it's Sissy, honey.
Let's make sure he's... Alright. Let's make sure he's... Breathe. Get him in the recovery position.
Yeah, that's fine.
Dakota, I gotta. I'm just hold this on. I'm trying to slide. There. I'm gonna let you slip in.
You guys 10-4, need more manpower there. 4 men.
I don't know how to work this thing.
Apparently they've got the brake on somewhere.
Yeah.
What's up?
Could you guys grab me the green bag? Green bag.
Yeah.
To our station, we're changing orders.
Come on the monitor. All right, bye.
Earl was then taken to the hospital, but tests confirmed he had no brain activity. He was eventually removed from life support on September 10th. The family has hired National Civil Rights Attorney Ben Crump and Indiana Attorney Stephen Wagner to investigate what happened, and they are zeroing in on the actions of officers and EMTs, which they say put Earl at greater risk. The coroner has not yet released Earl's cause of death, but the attorneys are requesting his medical records and the body camera video of the incident to get answers for his family. Indiana State Police are now investigating the incident. At the moment, we do not have any new updates on the case. In this next case, an officer's sudden act of violence against a compliant suspect raises serious questions about accountability. On August 24, 2024, police were called in response to a report of an altercation involving 10 to 15 people, with multiple individuals fleeing upon law enforcement's arrival.
It's quiet out here. Multiple people running through the park.
Copy.
Blackmail! Threats! His right hand, blackmail, white shirt, black man. Jumped in bed towards 19. Hey, get him secured.
One of the suspects, 21-year-old Jamir McElroy, was ordered to sit on the ground along with a group of others and appeared to be complying with police commands. However, Officer Brandon Mamirov suddenly ran up and kicked McElroy in the chest while he was kneeling with his hands raised.
239, I got 5 at gunpoint in this place. So you can't go.
Copy 1, Tessie 2038.
I'm not playing! Get down! That's why you gotta comply!
Why is my brother like that, bro?
Because he's not complying. Everyone's getting a tank. Did anybody have eyes on the male that jumped the fence? Did he make it to 19th or is he bunkered down over here?
Mom.
Go, he ran northbound on Gridley on 19th.
I don't know.
Hey, female pointing over here. She's pointing. Looks like you went west to the backyard.
Take your knees this way. I'll move your butt.
The tank.
No, it was mine.
222, what's your name?
Here against car.
I'm in the cruiser.
Officer Mamirov defended his actions, claiming McElroy was not complying. However, body cam footage suggests otherwise.
Listen, that's fine. Then don't be surprised when we put our hands on you.
I want to say
I didn't interrupt you.
Jim McElroy, one of the shipments to leave. Hey, can I take my mom's phone call?
McElroy.
Birthday?
January 13th, 2002.
It doesn't matter.
Females arguing?
No. That's really why we're out here like this.
You think that we have all the city of Canton, we all come here because somebody that
night. Canton police say they arrived to the parking lot to investigate a large group of people arguing, and quote, officers ordered Jameer McElroy in the chest. Stark County NAACP president
Officer Mamirov seemed to realize his mistake and even apologized to McElroy. But here's the real question. Will he actually face any consequences?
Person.
What's up?
When officers tell you to do something, you gotta do it.
That don't mean you gotta kick me though. And something drop kick me though. Come on now. That's some clown shit.
Alright.
That's clown shit, bro. That's corny. Like you apologize and I ain't trying to hear nothing.
No, I am. That's what I'm talking to you. Alright? I'm trying to tell you it's not personal.
Yeah.
Okay?
McElroy.
Alright. Yeah. I see all the officers trying to give him multiple commands. He got down. He's still on his knees, still wouldn't get down. I kicked him down. Nothing else, no strike hard.
they found did you hear they found a 5100 he's at black car just now? And the car's still running?
Bobby DiCello, the attorney representing McElroy's family, said the man was transported to an emergency room with a concussion. Mamirov's use of force violation is categorized as Class A, which is reserved for the most serious violations, according to the release.
And this morning, we are hearing from the attorney of a man kicked by a Canton police officer.
Cell phone video rolling during the arrest shows the man on his knees. They say this officer's actions are currently under review. This all comes after police say they were made aware of a video that was So this is that video, which according to 911 calls begins as police are arriving to the Mahoning Manor on August, giving orders, telling everyone to get on the ground. And shortly thereafter, 21-year-old Jameer McElroy. McElroy is being represented by attorney Bobby DiCello, who released this video to 3 News.
Oh, yeah, I think the video is with his hands in the air. That's the universal signal for I'm here, I give up, whatever.
So 3 suspects, including McElroy, were taken into custody. Police say they found 2 guns as well as marijuana to be complying when Officer Mamirov kicked him in the chest. He also said in part, quote, how we do our job is as principals will be held accountable. And Danita, we have requested the body cam footage of this incident.
Quite the storm of events, right? Let's move on to a more gripping case. On January 16, 2025, a driver is pulled over for a minor reason, a small object hanging from his windshield. But was this truly about road safety, or was there another motive behind it?
What's up, bro? Can't be having this stuff hanging right there, bro.
Why not?
Okay, because that blocks your view, that's why.
It's not blocking my view.
Okay, bro, can I see your driver's license?
No, call your supervisor, because I haven't done nothing to me.
What are you talking about?
You U-turned when you saw me. What do you mean?
What do you mean U-turn? I'm
bro,
doing my job, man.
No, you're not. What's your job?
How am I not, bro?
BS. Yeah, you doubled back, bro. What's your name?
Agent Cerda.
Okay, what's your badge number?
Okay, 5480.
Okay, what's the no? I'm not gonna make.
Instead of complying with protocol, the officer resists bringing in a supervisor, raising questions about his true intentions.
For what?
Because this is a traffic stop.
Okay, call your supervisor. I don't want to deal with you. Because I don't want to deal with you. Pull me over, and I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. I don't care, dude, but you were going that way. You saw me. Me miraste. That you stopping me, and I have something to do. Okay. I don't want to do business with you.
You don't want to do business with me?
I don't want to do business with you.
What makes you think that if I bring you right there, man?
Dude, ibas para allá para abajo. ¿Todo eso vistes? ¿Todo eso vistes?
You think I'm just messing around or what?
Yeah, obviously, I can do whatever I want in my car.
Fine, but I'm telling you, put your hands on the street.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. It's my car.
Okay, I'm just saying that. It's just for my...
Give me a supervisor.
No, dude, I'm not kidding.
Give me a supervisor.
Give
me a supervisor.
Then let me see your ID.
Give me a supervisor.
I can arrest you for not giving me your ID.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
If you want me to do that, then...
Call your supervisor, please.
For what?
Because I'm asking you to. It's a cuss at me.
Listen,
don't cuss at me. Don't cuss at me. Be professional in your job.
I'm trying. Am I not?
Te la voy a enseñar ese, pero no te la voy a dar. Te la voy a enseñar.
The officer seems uneasy when asked why he turned around to follow the driver. His vague answer hints at suspicion rather than a clear legal reason.
I don't like cops like you, bro.
Why? What have I done to you?
I don't like cops, period. Oh, look, the same.
Okay,
your request is here?
Okay.
This is your request, right?
Yes.
It's your request.
Martinez, right?
What's that? Driver license. On me.
Who said I double back on you?
I was looking at you. I already know this, man.
You know how many times I stop over people and they say, why are you following me? And I don't follow them.
You weren't followed born yesterday?
Okay, you think that I'm lying too or what?
I know you're lying. I know you're lying.
How can I do it?
Porque yo te watché, bro.
Hey, and then I get told that?
I don't. I'm telling you what it is. I'm telling you what it is.
Is that what's bothering me? Okay,
that's what's bothering me. That's what's bothering me.
Okay, bro, look. I got nothing.
I'm trying to walk the straight line, bro.
Okay, well, you need to relax, man.
Es que that pisses me off. You know how many times I get... Es lo que te estoy diciendo, bro. Siempre que me watchan, you guys pull me over, bro. What is it? Is it how I look? Is it the car? Okay, what's the legit reason, bro? What's the legit reason? What's the legit reason then?
You're not the first person I've stopped today. You're like the third or fourth person I've stopped. I just came in. I'm doing my job, bro.
The officer keeps demanding the driver's ID, but in Texas, the law is clear. An officer needs reasonable suspicion of a crime to require identification. A questionable traffic stop simply doesn't cut it.
What's the cell phone?
When I saw you, when you passed by me, remember right here, when you passed by me, I didn't know what that was.
Okay, so
like if you have a center console or something, there's some that you could attach to your vent.
But this is the one I bought for this same reason, so I can...
I saw that you had something blocking you right there. I didn't know it was your phone. Okay, I know people buy that, bro, but doesn't mean that it's legal. If it blocks your view, then you
like simple as dirt.
Okay, go ahead.
What's the difference between you and I?
What? I don't know. What is it? Tell me.
Okay, because you have a camera. What is it then? It's a radar.
It's you talking about the thing right there? It's a winch. It's the mirror, but it has.
¿Y enseguida?
The mirror, man.
Okay, pero es lo que te estoy diciendo. What's the difference between you and I? Obviously, my taxes pay. And you have the same thing. What's the difference?
Because we're law enforcement. We're the ones that...
No, you're not above the law. You are not above the law.
All this stuff, we need cameras.
And I need this to go to where I'm going.
Okay, I understand. But like I told you, you can have... I'm not saying it's small like as that can block somebody that's crossing the road and you won't even see. Or if you're distracted with that, you can hit somebody. I'm just saying because it's happened, bro.
That you guys take it up. Okay, your guys is I'm gonna call it a gang because it's a gang. You guys are a time like como te digo. Okay, you said it was that, but obviously it took you a while to pull me over.
What do you mean a while?
It took
you, man. Okay. You know how many times I get told
So then you just finished saying that you saw this and then
No. I said when I just saw that you had something right there. That's not a big deal, bro. Look, I've never stopped you. Don't tell me. Don't say you guys always stop this car. I've never.
The officer eventually issued a ticket to the driver. However, it's still unclear whether the driver will sue the officer for violating his rights.
No, okay, well, I'm asking you, do you want to give it to me so I can scan it?
I don't want to give it to you. I want to show it to you.
Okay, can I see your... Okay, let me see your date of birth. Okay. But I'm just telling you, the reason why I'm asking for it is because I can scan it and it can go faster. But if I have to enter everything, fine. But I'm just telling you, it's going to take a little longer, bro.
Okay.
Okay, are you cool?
I'm fine.
Are you calm, bro?
Yeah.
Look, it could have been... Okay. Just give me a second, all right? Again, just take that off.
All right, man.
Okay, are we cool, bro?
Yeah.
Look, I didn't mean no disrespect, man. Okay, just when I approached you yesterday, I told you were mad. So you live over here and I work in the same area, so okay.
That was good, man.
Just a warning, bro. Okay.
All right.
Can you turn off your vehicle and then can I see your keys, please?
No.
Ma'am?
My keys, that's illegal.
No, it's not.
Stop, that's my key. Stop. I just, here, my, no, stop.
Get out the vehicle.
No,
Get out the vehicle.
Why?
Get out the vehicle.
No, stop.
Get out the vehicle.
Stop, no, stop. Why?
Get out the vehicle.
No, why?
No drugs or alcohol today? No marijuana either?
Hello?
I don't do none of that.
You're not using any heroin or opium or anything?
When entitled corrupt cops faced karma, starting with BART police shoot woman during traffic stop over expired registration. At 9 p.m. on November 18th, 2024, Officer Nicholas Poblete and his partner pulled Jasmine Gao over following a report of reckless driving. Gao denied the allegations, stating that she had been parked while taking a phone call and had no experience with advanced driving maneuvers.
Roll down your windows, please.
Sorry, no.
Roll down the back windows, please.
No one here. I'm parked because I'm trying to talk to my friend on the phone.
Okay, so we're just trying to investigate, right? Someone said that a car matching this description was doing donuts in this parking lot. Doing donuts in this parking lot?
I don't know how to do donuts.
Okay.
I've been waiting here because I was about to go to the train.
These ones that called it in, we didn't see it, but they say
Donuts?
yes, ma'am. So like when you're utilizing.
I don't know. I'm not that good at driving. I'm like a fairly new driver. I don't know how to do donuts.
Okay.
Yeah. I wish I could though. Is that illegal? Yeah. I'm sorry. But who did? I like it when people do donuts. I didn't know that was illegal.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen people.
Okay. All right. You have a good night, ma'am.
Have a good night. Sorry.
During the stop, officers found the driver lacked valid registration and insurance, both required by California law. She claimed DMV delays hindered her efforts to resolve the issue.
Oh, actually, wait, really quickly, ma'am. My dispatcher informed us that you're licensed out of registration. Can you show me the registration, proof of insurance, please?
I just went to the DMV.
Okay.
And I just made an appointment today. And I already. Sorry, my mom is here right now, and
You want to give her a quick call? Just let her know that you're.
No, because she's. I didn't. My friend wanted me to drive to his place, but I don't want to drive this late. Okay. So we just ended up deciding not to.
So really quickly, right?
Yeah.
My dispatch is saying that your registration.
I just went to DMV.
Ma'am, I want to get started here as soon as possible. Okay. But the fact that my dispatch informed me that your registration is not valid.
What's that mean?
The registration of your vehicle,
it is valid.
Ma'am, so really quickly,
yeah.
I need to address it, right?
Yeah.
I'm not saying we're gonna proceed forward with any type of.
No, let me just go home. I live really close by. I don't have insurance, but I have my driver's license.
Why do you not have insurance?
I just paid the insurance, but I don't.
So you're saying you just paid your insurance, then you were saying you just paid your registration.
No.
Which one is it that you just paid? In the state of California, you need registration and proof of insurance. You need two different.
I don't carry it on me because I don't know. I haven't even driven my car out of this town.
I need your driver's license, please.
I haven't driven my car out of this town. I don't even do you know what I mean? I don't know how to do.
What's your name?
My name is Leja.
Leja, what's the last name?
Wow.
Okay.
According to California Vehicle Code, CVC 16028, all California drivers must carry proof of auto insurance coverage. Although driving without proof of insurance is not a criminal offense in California, you may still face an infraction if the police catch you. Gao tried to explain her side of the story, but the conversation quickly turned tense as interruptions flew back and forth between both sides.
Okay,
yeah.
So just stay put.
Yeah.
Right? Like I said.
Don't scare me. I'm really tired right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's the thing, if you allow me to finish my sentences first, right, get my complete thought out there, then I can explain to you what's going on. But when you cut me off prior to me being able to explain anything to you, I'm going to see and validate if what you're saying is true and correct about your registration and proof of insurance, right? Because registration and proof of insurance are two things that are mandated in the state of California for you to have, okay?
I have those.
Okay, and and my computer will say if you indeed have those or not. Regardless, in the state of California, you need to be able to provide proof of that to a police officer.
No, but I just paid for it today.
Okay, so just
don't scare me. Just don't scare me.
Okay, so just wait.
I just got it into my house.
Do me a favor, ma'am, because you're like freaking out.
It's because you're cops, and I'm just in a f***ing lot.
Like I said.
Don't scare me. I'm really tired right now.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. If you allow me to finish my sentences first, like get my complete thought out there, then I can explain to you what's going on. But when you cut me off prior to me being able to explain it, you're going to see and validate if what you're saying is true and correct about your registration, proof, and insurance. Right? Registration, proof, and insurance are two things that are mandated in the state of California for you to have. Regardless, in the state of California, you need to be able to provide proof of that to a police officer if a police officer asks.
It's right here.
You just said you don't have it.
No, I don't have it on me. It's my house. Just don't scare me. Just don't scare me. I just
this way.
I just brought it into my house.
Do me a favor, ma'am, because you're like freaking out.
It's because you're cops, and I'm just in a f***ing lot.
The situation quickly escalated when Officer Nicholas Poblete demanded that Gao turn off her car and hand over the keys. It was at this point that Officer Poblete resorted to force, even pulling out his gun as tensions flared.
Can you turn off your vehicle and then press your keys, please?
No.
Ma'am?
My keys, that's illegal.
No, it's not.
Stop, that's my key. Stop. I just, here, no, stop. Put my hand.
Get out the vehicle.
No,
Get out the vehicle.
Why?
Get out the vehicle.
No, stop.
Get out the vehicle.
Stop, no, stop. Why?
Ma'am, I'm gonna pepper spray you.
Here's my keys. Stop. Here's my keys. Stop, you're scaring me. Stop.
Ma'am, I'm gonna, ma'am. 3-1 shots fired. Ma'am, get out of the vehicle. We want to provide. Hey. Can I see your keys, please?
No.
Ma'am.
My keys, that's illegal.
No, it's not.
Stop. That's my key. Stop. Here, no. Stop.
Get out the vehicle.
No,
Get out the vehicle.
Why?
Get out the vehicle.
No, stop.
Hey, get out the vehicle now.
No. Why are you saying that?
Ma'am, I'm gonna pepper spray you.
Here's my keys. Stop.
Hold this. You got.
Stop. Here's my keys. No, you're scaring me. Stop. You're scaring me. Stop.
Ma'am,
Stop. You're scaring me.
30 shots fired.
As a result, Gao was handcuffed and received medical attention, all while remaining bewildered and distraught, struggling to understand why Officer Nicholas Poblete had resorted to deadly force.
What did you do to me? What did you do?
I want to help you. Stop.
How did you shoot me?
Stop. Handcuffs are going to provide medical aid.
Why did you do that?
Ma'am, stop. We want to provide you medical aid.
Why did you do that to me?
Ma'am, stop. Stop. Ma'am, we're going to get you some help. But I need you to cooperate with me so we can get you some medical aid. Ma'am, stop. We're going to get you some medical aid. Calm down so we can give you medical aid and help you. Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, stop.
I'm dying.
Okay. You're on the ground. Let's get you some medical aid.
Stop. You're killing me.
You want to conduct a medical aid now.
Stop. Now stop.
Here.
Please, why did you hurt me?
Come on, get
it.
I'm bleeding. Please help me. I'm just a drown.
All right, stop right there.
Oh my God, what did you do?
Shots fired. Here, lay down. Lay down.
I want to help you. Stop. Handcuffs, and then we're going to go ahead and provide medical aid.
Why did you do that? I just took the
Okay, stop.
Handcuffs, and we're going to provide medical aid.
Why did you do that?
Ma'am, stop. We want to provide you medical aid. You were dragging us from the car.
Oh my God, why did you do that to me?
Ma'am, stop.
Stop. Sit down. Let us help you.
Why did you do that?
Hold on, stop.
I'm dying.
On the ground. Let's get you some medical aid.
Stop.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Stop.
I don't know why you shot me. What did you do? Please, why did you hurt me?
Go, get a chest kit. A chest seal.
Why did you hurt? Why did you?
Gao survived the injury and was later discharged from the hospital. Poblete, a BART officer for over 6 years, was placed on administrative leave.
According to police records, a detective says Officer Nicholas Poblete, who has 6.5 years of service for BART, said his left arm was wedged between the driver's side window and the door frame, and that he was afraid of being dragged. We went to Gao's home, but no one answered the door. A neighbor said there have been times when she was disruptive in the neighborhood and seemed to have mental health issues, but she was never violent.
She's always been very pleasant with me.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I mean, she tells me like a lot of crazy stuff, but not she's never been overly hostile towards me.
Bart says that they have sent charges over to the district attorney's office, but none have been filed yet. The officer is on administrative leave, and the police chief says that he is having a third-party investigator look into the incident.
According to California Penal Code Section 835A, any peace officer who has reasonable cause to believe that the person to be arrested has committed a public offense may use reasonable force to effect the arrest, to prevent escape, or to overcome resistance. A peace officer who makes or attempts to make an arrest need not retreat or desist from his efforts by reason of the resistance or threatened resistance of the person being arrested. Nor shall such officer be deemed an aggressor or lose his right to self-defense by the use of reasonable force to effect the arrest, or to prevent escape, or to overcome resistance. Officer Nicholas Poblet violated this provision. Let's move to this next case, where things might get even messier. On January 30th, while making a delivery for DoorDash, Torayon found himself pulled over by Officer Matt Bowyer of the Zeeland Police Department in Michigan. The officer accused him of blazing down the road at a shocking 120 miles per hour.
Determine severe health.
10-4 comes back on an Impala. RO's out of Crown Point Apartments in Holland.
I thought he had made it through the red light at Chicago Drive, but we're just south of that. Hey man, stick your hands out the window. Are you by yourself? Do you know why I'm stopping you?
No.
I've been chasing you all the way back there. You're doing 120 when you pass State Street.
I didn't realize it.
All right, is the car in park?
Instead of focusing on the actual reason for the stop, speeding, Officer Bowyer quickly escalated the situation, bombarding Torayon with questions about drug use and probing into the contents of his vehicle.
All right, go ahead and step out for me, please. All right, just go ahead and put your hands on top of the car there for me. I'm just going to pat you down. You don't have any weapons on you? Okay. Just going to set you out right here, okay? Anything in the car you're not supposed to have?
Nope.
And why are you going so fast?
Oh, no, I didn't even realize it. I was trying to get to my customer. I'm door dashing right now.
All right, is this your driver's license in here?
It's in my wallet.
Okay, what's in this pocket here?
I don't, you can go in there, I don't know.
All right, is that if I take it out?
Yes, fine.
Nothing sharp that's going to poke me?
I don't know.
You and everybody else slow down. Thank you. What's in this pocket here, bud?
Here, if you want to unput my jacket, I don't want to reach. It's just, I don't know what's in there.
Okay. All right, turn around and face me. All right, I'm just going to look inside here, okay?
Okay.
You got your phone going in there?
Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
Just some group of friends I'm door dashing with.
You know why all these other officers are standing here?
Why?
Because you didn't stop back there.
Oh, I didn't even see lights behind me. I honestly didn't.
Yeah, you got like 20 things in every pocket.
I honestly didn't see you when it stopped.
All right, turn just a little bit. All right, go ahead and grab your driver's license out of your wallet there for me, please. Thank you. Is your license valid?
Yep.
Is this your car?
It is.
No drugs or alcohol today? No marijuana either?
Hello? I don't know that.
The police's suspicion of drug use triggered a series of roadside sobriety tests, starting with the eye exam. Torayon complied, repeatedly insisting that he hadn't used any drugs and was simply anxious.
All right, let's walk over towards the front of my truck here real quick.
Okay.
All right, just stand right by the front there. I'm just going to turn these lights down. You can stand with your hands down. You're okay. You're not using any drugs at all?
No.
Why are your pupils so pinpoint?
I'm nervous. I got pulled over.
Well, that doesn't change your pupils. I mean, they're like super, super small.
I'm not on anything. I'll take a test or whatever.
Okay. The only thing that makes your pupils pinpoint like that are narcotics.
Okay, well.
Okay, like a narcotic analgesic will do that. You're not using any heroin or opium or anything?
No.
And I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but you're door dashing at 120.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to check your eyes real quick. So feet together, hands down by your sides. Again, just look straight ahead, okay? All right, can you see the tip of my finger okay?
Mm-hmm.
Wherever it goes, just follow with your eyes. Don't move your head. You understand? You understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes.
Move my head.
All right, there's nothing to do. That doesn't change your eyes at all, okay? All right, here we go. Your eyes are jumping all over the place. Why is that?
Could we take a test or something? I don't have nothing to hide.
Is there anything in your car you're not supposed to have?
Search my car.
Okay, let's keep going here, okay? All right, can you see it all right? Okay, try not to move your head, okay? Just keep looking at it.
I'm like really nervous.
That's right. Just keep looking at my finger. We can't even do the eye test because your eyes are bouncing all over the place. Okay, I'm a drug recognition officer. Okay, there's not a doubt in my mind that what's going on here.
I'm nervous. Like I'm in Zeeland, Michigan. I'm a black man. I'm scared as hell right now.
That shouldn't be an issue whatsoever.
Then, Officer Matt Bowyer insisted that Torian take another counting test.
So the next test we're going to do, same thing, feet together. Go ahead and put your feet together there. What's your first name again?
Torian.
One more time.
Torian.
Tornell?
Torian.
Torian.
Yep.
Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head back. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to say your alphabet E through P. So you're going to start at E as in Edward and you're going to stop at P as in Paul. Okay? Okay, so head back, eyes closed, E through P.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay, thank you. What's the highest level of education that you have?
High school.
Okay, your head back. Just 68 down to 53.
68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53.
All right, that's why I just want to run you through these tests, okay? Because your pupils are really small, and that's...
I get nervous. I don't know. I mean, I'm nervous as hell.
Okay, because they're super small. When I put my light on them, they don't change. They should, in the dark, like how we're saying right now, they should be pretty dilated. And when I put my light on them, then they should get small. All right, so next thing, you can use either hand that you want, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to count... You're going to touch the tip of your finger to the end of your fingers, and you're going to count just like this, okay? Watch, I'll show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, say that again. I'm sorry.
No, you're okay. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1.
The officer did not have conclusive evidence of drug use, and Torian was subjected to multiple tests without clear justification.
Okay. All right. So what I need you to do next, we're going to do a walking test. We're going to just use a spot right here, all right? So same thing, feet together, hands down by your sides. Take your right foot, put it in front of your left foot so you're standing heel to toe. All right. Stay like that while I show you how to do this, all right? What you're going to do when I tell you to is you're going to walk 9 heel to toe steps just like you're standing right now. Your hands are going to be down by your sides. You're going to look down at your feet, and you're going to count each step out loud. When you start the test, don't stop until it's done.
You said head down, right?
What's that?
Head down.
Look down at your feet, count each step out loud, hands down by your sides.
1. Oh shit. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's try it again. Okay, and begin.
1, 2, 3. Record this too, because they think I'm on something. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, thank you. All right, you go ahead and turn. You go ahead and turn
I'm
around.
on something. I'm doing all these tests. Like, now I'm gonna have an upset customer.
No, you're good. Do you feel okay?
I'm okay. I'm humiliated.
Look, there's no reason to be humiliated. You understand why I stopped you, though, right?
I understand it.
If you're doing 120 miles an hour, then you don't pull over the police, you're obviously going to get... Well, yeah, I had you on radar at 117 and then 120 when you actually passed me.
Yeah, I didn't realize it.
Okay.
Honestly.
All right. And I appreciate you standing out here doing these tests. I know it's cold.
Finally, Officer Matt Bowyer decided to issue a speeding ticket to Torian after finding no evidence to prove that Torian had been using drugs.
Go ahead and have a seat in your car so you can get warm. I'm going to write you a speeding ticket and you're going to be on your way. All right? You got all your stuff up here?
Yes, do you have a business card too?
Yes, you bet.
I know I'm wrong, but...
No, you bet. I'll give you one.
So can you give me all of your badge numbers?
You bet. Yep, you'll get a... Yeah, I'll get you a card from everybody.
You're a narcotics... you said you're a narcotics detection?
Yep, drug detection. Yep.
So just all badge numbers and
you bet.
names, all right?
You bet. Toya?
Yes.
All right, here's your license back.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is your citation. It's for speeding. 10 days to take care of it.
Okay.
But this is the phone number. If you want to appeal the citation, you have to contact this number at the court before or within that 10 days. Okay, so if you call them in the morning, and what they're going to ask you for is a citation number, and that's this number right at the very top. Okay.
Well, he just told me here a minute ago on the phone.
Okay.
Do you have a reason? Like, did you record this for doing a sobriety test and all that too? Did we put this in? Do we have notes of that too?
Of what?
Of doing a sobriety test and all of that.
Yeah, it's still running.
Okay.
Yeah, the whole thing will be.
Another colleague of Torian was also present at the scene, ensuring that Torian wasn't driving at high speed.
I appreciate you stopping.
Yep.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
That's my boyfriend that you just pulled over.
Okay.
I could honestly tell you didn't catch him clocking going 117.
Okay.
I'm recording this, by the way.
That's fine. I am too.
Honestly tell you that he wasn't going 117 because he's very scared of driving.
He can go to court and appeal it, and I'll go over all that with him. But it'll be out of the Holland District Court.
Oh yeah, we will be there.
Okay. All right.
We will be there.
Okay, sir. I'm going to give him our business cards that he asked for,
can I
and
get
then
one too?
What's that?
Can I get one too?
She just left. She just gave me one, but we will give you one.
Yeah.
Sir.
The officer.
Wait, hang on one second. This is the female deputy that was here.
Okay.
She's in the sheriff's department. That's her card.
Okay.
This is
her badge number on here.
What's that?
Is her badge number?
I'm not sure. I can look at it real quick.
His badge. Can we pencil on her badge number?
I don't know her badge number, so let me give you that.
So
all right. I still got to go back and talk to your buddy over there and give him. He wanted my card too.
So my question for you is, so this dash cam footage, I'm sitting here thinking about it. I mean, I didn't realize I was going that fast, if I was going that fast, but so do we have this recorded on a dash cam with a tip time radar and all of that? Do we have footage of me going that and with a clock, something that's, I mean, can we prove this in court?
It won't show on the radar because the camera comes out the front window, but it'll show you smoking past the other cars and me trying to catch up to you.
Okay.
Okay, let me get this going so we can get you out of here, okay? Sir? I'm Officer Boyer, like I was saying, and then my badge number's on there and all of our contact information.
Torian requested an informal hearing to challenge the subpoena. Field sobriety tests, FSTs, sometimes called roadside sobriety tests, help enforce DUI laws and usually precede chemical tests, such as breathalyzer tests or other breath tests, as well as blood, saliva, and urine tests. All sobriety tests ensure that an officer has probable cause to arrest someone for driving under the influence. Officer Matt Bowyer had no legitimate reason to ask Torian to undergo the tests. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.